Moi kaikki! In today's video, we will go over the word of the week, ajanvaraus. So the word of this week is ajanvaraus. Ajanvaraus. Ajan, varaus. Varaus. Ajanvaraus. Ajanvaraus. What ajanvaraus translates to is appointment, appointment time. So if we break down this word, ajan comes from the word aika. Aika, which means time. It is the genetiivi muoto, the genetiivi form of the word aika, time. So essentially it translates to times, time, apostrophe s. Fun fact, ajan is exactly the same word you would use to say I drive. So the verb to drive in first person, so if I'm doing the action, that would also be spelled and pronounced the exact same way. Ajan. Ajan. Minä ajan autoa. I drive a car. But in this case, based on context, we know it means times. Time, times, okay? Varaus. Varaus. Varaus means reservation, to make a reservation. So together it kind of means to make a time reservation, to make a time appointment. So this is a useful word if you're living in Finland, because if you're wanting to make any kind of appointment or any kind of booking where you need a time slot, you'll have to look for a button or a section which would most likely say ajanvaraus. Ajanvaraus, and then you would click on that and then you can make your booking. Ajanvaraus. 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 An appointment, a booking, a reservation where you need a specific time. And that just about concludes this video. So till next time, moikka!